wanted to show you how we do an adjustment here when someone has disc problems. So this person has disc and neck issues, so we're going to adjust the entire spine. First thing we start with is we check the leg balance to see where the body is pulling here. And we're going to go ahead and do a light adjustment on the lower back to open up these disc veins. So as we open up the joints, we're trying to get them moving better to take pressure off these areas. All right, you can go ahead and lay on your back for me. And now we're going to go ahead and work on the neck or the cervical spine to get pressure off those discs also. There you go. It's as simple as that. Hope to see you soon.